Hi, I am Zenzele. Welcome to my channel, Urban Eve. In this special video, I'm gonna do a really quick review of the unit that I am wearing on my head right now. I should preface this by saying it's been over a month now since I've done a lace front, lace part synthetic wig review. And I've just been steadily rocking headband units from Sensational and Outre during that time. And it's just been so easy and so no fuss that I have not been tempted to return to the world of lace front, lace part units until now. And it reminded me why I stopped for a while, why it was so easy for me to just rock headband units for the last month or so. Because when I put this on just now, it felt like I was putting a cobweb on my head. Hair in my face, in my lipstick, everywhere. Now, this might just be this particular unit. Maybe this was not a great one to return to after not wearing lace front wigs for so long. Again, this is a Bobbi Boss wig. This is from their Boss Lace line. It is the style MLF 246 Phila, I think. And I got mine in the color TC1B/30. This is a 13x4 lace front wig, and it has a MediFresh safe and clean cap. I will put in some footage of me taking out this unit for the very first time. I got it on Mother's Day, I believe. Or no, what am I talking about? I got it a while ago and I reviewed it on Mother's Day. And you know, it has the standard cap construction, one little comb on each side of the hairline, one comb in the back with adjustable straps. And I found at the time that the lace was really, really ideal. I thought this was a perfect lace. I still do. It's on the soft side, this lace, which I think is fine, but it was really, really easy for me to melt into for my complexion. I used the Ebin Lace tint spray to spray inside the cap, and I think it did really well on that count. You know, I think the lace is very nice. It does also come with baby hairs, which I don't know, I might have plucked out of it because I did pluck the hairline a little bit. But it does come with baby hairs. I am not a baby hair layer expert, so I didn't do that with this unit. I did add heat to the unit when I attempted to do a side part as my first part on this 13x4 unit, and it was pretty disastrous. It just disturbed the hair so much because this is, as you can see, a loose curly wave, which, here's the thing, I think this might have been better as a lace part unit because that way, at least for me, I would not be disturbing the hair to make any parts because there's no option to do so. But when you make a 13x4, 13x6 synthetic unit with waves like this, you got to make it so that you can actually run your fingers through these or a comb or a brush, because when you start parting it, it's just a mess. It reminds me of a butter lace unit that I had reviewed like a few years ago. It was so cute, but it was short and it was a 13x6 or 4. And as soon as I started parting it, oh my God, that was a nightmare. This one is not as bad as that, but pretty bad for me. As particularly since I have not been wearing units like this. I feel like when I put this on today, I just was so disoriented. I'm just like, I feel crazy. Do I look crazy? I feel crazy because the hair is just like here and it's like in my face. And so when I look at myself in the mirror, I'm just like, oh, this is cute. I didn't even glue this down. I glued it down when I wore it on Mother's Day. and it melted really nicely, but it's not glued down right now. And I think it looks really, really good. It's not an ear to ear lace situation. This is as far down as it comes on either side. So unfortunately, even though it doesn't feel like it's too small for my head, it doesn't cover my entire hairline. The cap size is actually really snug. I didn't take the adjustable straps out. I just took it out of the bag, plopped it on, been comfortable since I put it on yesterday. It's still comfortable right now. I would just keep it like this forever. Of course, it's not gonna last nowhere near forever. The texture of this is nice and soft. I don't have any problems with the texture. The problem that I had mainly was just not being able to manage it and control it and keep it out of my face, and also that it tangles like a bitch when you are trying to part this anywhere. So I just ended up doing my signature middle part, which I think looks great. This is a special occasion wig, like for Mother's Day when I wore it. This is a weekend wig. This is, as they say, maybe a vacation wig. It's not a daily wig. I do love the way that it looks. I think that it's really beautiful. I love these colors in the front. I did end up cutting like a good, 5 inches off of this. It comes all the way down to here on me. It was just like unnecessary length because I'm really not into so much length anymore. I like big hair, and I cannot lie, but right up in here is the ideal wearable length for me. This, I gotta pull it out of my coat if I'm wearing a coat, or pull it out of my shirt when I put it on. Like, it's just too much. I have gotten way spoiled from headband wigs, and it just annoys me because it's a 13x4 and you can't really, the versatility is not there. So big con. So this unit may not work for me for my purposes as a daily wig, but clearly I've been out of the lace front wig review game for so long that I couldn't tell from just looking at this that it was not going to be a daily wig. I think I was hoping that the 13x4 element of it would make it so that they would process a wavy curl like this in a way that would allow me to actually use that 13x4 parting space. But no, okay? Why did I ever think that that would happen outside of Outre world? No shade to Bobbi Boss though, because Bobbi Boss does do some things really well. This just is not one of them. So that's basically it for my review of this unit. I think that if I just keep it for like weekend events, I might be able to get a few more wears out of it. But that is it for my review of this unit, the Boss Lace 13x4 Deep Lace unit in the style MLF246 Phila. Again, I got it in the color TC1B/30. I hope that you enjoyed this review. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed as yet and you enjoy content like this. And don't forget to click on the thumbs up button down below if you liked my video. Show your likes, and I will see you in my next video soon. Bye.